However, we have here our race number 146, under 19 boys W6 250 meter, TK semi 1 of 3 with a green flag already.
Yeah, a pumping start out there in lane 6. Shirley Boys High School.
Out there in lanes 3 and 7, and possibly out there in lane 10 as well, Northland College.
Oh, but lane 3 on the inside.
Fairfield College. I'm pretty sure that's Aiden Cameron, maybe, possibly, in seat 1. But out there as well, lane 10, Northland College, giving them a run for their money. And in between them, lanes 4 and 5, lanes 4 and 6. Oh, but lane 3, oh.
Lane 3 just getting lane 10 at the end.
With lanes 4 and 6 following after them. Lanes 3 taking the, lane 3, Fairfield College. Tane Whero taking out this TK semi 1 of 3. Here we have our replay. Out there in lane 6 had a great start, as well as lane 10 and lane 3. Oh, looking over to see who's got the lead at the finish. Not much between their first and second, and third and fourth. However, we have our times here. Fairfield Tane Whero with a time of 1 minute 4 seconds, 0.19. Northland College, 1 minute 4 seconds, 0.57. And Opononi Area School, Kupe, 1 minute 5 seconds, 0.58.